Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent this couple's apron set in exchange for my honest review. It comes in this cute little gift box that's definitely going to raise that eyebrow with intrigue. It says gifts for couples. This package is happy to see you. This is the perfect gift to give a couple's apron set to for anyone getting married, anyone newly engaged, or even to surprise your spouse with. We've got a queen of the kitchen apron, and we've got a king of the grill apron. So it's definitely a his and hers set. And I have to admit, my husband's usually out on the grill while I am inside the kitchen, whipping up the sides to go with whatever yumminess we're having that day. So the apron is adjustable. I can pull the strap to make it fit tighter or looser. So it's super easy to adjust, slides right on over the head, and then I can tie it behind me. This is gonna definitely protect my clothes when I make a mess. You can also see that it's got two pockets here, so I can stick my spatulas in here, I can stick my spices, anything that I need to grab. This pocket is also great to have my phone in. I listen to music and podcasts when I'm cooking, and so I can slide it in right here and just keep going about my business in the kitchen. As you can see here, my husband's got his king of the grill apron on, and his pockets are holding the paper towels. When he's out grilling, he always needs something to wipe his hands with. And so not only is the apron protecting his shirt right now as he's putting the steaks on the grill, but he's got his handy things right here. Here he's been able to keep a spoon, and so now he can really make sure that we get all of the spice and flavor added to the steaks. So this is great because it keeps the clothes protected, and we've got all our utensils at our fingertips. These aprons make a great gift for any couple where he's the king of the grill and she's the queen of the kitchen. So I hope you found our review